Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to S25. Today we are going to talk about Aradra Nakshatra and the professions which are connected to Aradra Nakshatra. And if you don't know that how to find out the nakshatra which determines your career and which shows that how much amount of success you are going to get in your chosen field, then check out the link shown below in the description, or you can check out that video of method in the top right section of the cards. So let's move ahead and talk about Aradra Nakshatra then, and see that what are the various kinds of professions associated with Aradra Nakshatra. Aradra Nakshatra is the ruler of this nakshatra is Rahu, and this nakshatra is totally spreaded in the sign of Gemini. So the professions which have the element of Rahu, Gemini zodiac sign, and the ruler of Gemini zodiac sign, that is Mercury. So the professions which are connected to these three entities or have the qualities of these three things in them are represented or governed by Aradra Nakshatra. So in short, if we talk about, then this nakshatra represents all kinds of professions which are connected to science, technology and engineering. So professions which are connected to any of these things, even though they are utilized in small amounts in them, then also the Aradra Nakshatra is responsible for that profession. So let's talk about that what are the various kinds of professions in general which are represented by Aradra Nakshatra. So first of all, Aradra Nakshatra represents professions which are connected to engineering, especially electrical engineering, electronics, computer and IT industry, software engineers, sound engineers, technicians, computer game designers, even the people who are associated with special effects in film industry are seen through Aradra Nakshatra, because all these professions are associated with engineering, science and technology. Then since this nakshatra is spreaded in the zodiac sign of Gemini, and this also has the influence of Mercury upon it, so the professions which require intellect, because these two things, Mercury and Gemini, represent your intelligence, your memory power. So the professions which are which require your intellect, which require your memory, are represented by Aradra Nakshatra, like people who are physicists, mathematicians, researchers, scientists, doctors, physicians, psychoanalysts, neurologists, a pharmaceutical industry, chemical industry, fertilizer industry, then people who are associated with X-ray and radar specialists are seen through Aradra Nakshatra, because all these professions represent require intelligence, and they both represent the element of Rahu, Mercury and Gemini zodiac sign. So they are ruled by Aradra Nakshatra. Then since the ruler of this nakshatra is Rahu, so and the influence of Mercury, because Mercury and Gemini both represents your communication, whether it's written or verbal. So the professions which are involving with communication, whether it's written or verbal, are also represented by Aradra Nakshatra. So people who are good orators, who are manipulators like politicians and salesperson, are also represented by Aradra Nakshatra, because these professions have the ability of manipulation and they are associated with communication. So they are represented by Aradra Nakshatra. Then since the Rahu is the ruler of this nakshatra, there are professions also which are connected to secrecy, because Rahu is secrets, Rahu is things behind the scenes. So the professions which are associated with secrecy are also represented by Aradra Nakshatra. So people who are investigators, who are detectives, spies, weapon experts are seen through Aradra Nakshatra. Weapon experts are mostly seen when Mars and Ketu are associated with this nakshatra, otherwise not. So this is how you can see that there is a varied range of professions available in a single nakshatra. And one more thing, that if this nakshatra is working in a negative side in anyone's horoscope, in a person's horoscope, then this nakshatra can take the person towards wrong path also. Person can indulge into illegal things, illegal professions, like drug dealers are seen through Aradra Nakshatra, if we talk about this, the functioning of this nakshatra in a negative way. So these are the professions you can see that Aradra Nakshatra controls. And if you have to find out your accurate profession, you have to combine the results at the level of nakshatra, zodiac sign, planet and house. We have deal all the things in the previous videos. You can check out in the playlist of the channel. And this is how you will be able to find out your accurate profession, your profession in which you can get the maximum amount of success. So this was my view on Aradra Nakshatra. If you are new to my channel, subscribe below. If you have any queries, you can mail me on my email ID. For more information and regular updates, you can check on my Facebook page as well. So we will meet in the next video of Punarvasu Nakshatra. Till then, goodbye and thank you.